Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a dewy skin natural look, you know what I mean? So if you want to figure out how to achieve this and any tips and tricks along the way and just to watch me, yeah, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with using some moisturizer because, you know, you want that moisturized skin. Sorry, I haven't really filmed in a while, so like I'm kind of a little weird right now. But this is the Murad Correcting Moisturizer, like to make your skin less red since I have very red skin. Next, I'm going to use some like lip moisturizer. This is the Aquaphor. Like, I don't know, it's just really good for your lips. Like if you have really chapped lips, I totally recommend this because like you'll be less chapped. Yeah. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer, and this is supposed to be a very natural look, so I'm just going to cover up like my blemishes, but like not too much, you know, because you want to still like have that authenticity of your skin. I don't really know what I'm going for, but like I am using the Super Stay Better Skin concealer from Maybelline. It looks like this. If it'll focus, you know, just like, hello. Oh my god, things are so hard to focus. Like beauty guru. There we go. And that's what it looks like, and it's from the drugstore, so like it's really easy. And I'm in the shade 10 Ivory because I'm very white. Yeah. So as you can tell, my skin got so much clearer, and if you guys want me to do a skincare routine video, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below so I actually know, because I like found this secret to clearing your skin so fast. So if you guys want me to tell you, then you should definitely like this video, and yeah, I'll make a video on it because I'm pretty proud of myself. I mean, like, I don't know, you might know it already, but like it's pretty cool. Okay, anyways, let's just put this on. Okay, so I'm using this is actually an eyeshadow brush. I know, like, I'm not that professional, but it works. So I'm using an eyeshadow brush to blend it out, so instead of a beauty blender, because then like it'll actually cover up more, if you know what I mean, because beauty blenders like pick up the concealer. So yeah. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the concealer. As you can tell, like it for the most part covered up a lot of it, but like still natural, you know. So then I need my brush. So then I'm going in with a little bit of powder, you know, to just like set it, make it even. I don't really know what powder does, but like, you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm using the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder in the shade Ivory 10 because, as again, I am very white. So yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit. As you can tell, I'm gonna wipe or tap a lot of that off and just lightly go over my skin. So there's my skin. Next, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu, is that how you say it? I'm not really sure. Rose water spray, and most of you have probably heard of this, and I love using this. I got this for Christmas, and I'm just gonna like spray on top to make it more like, just like set it in almost. I don't know, it's very nice and like cooling on the skin. So yeah. Okay, I feel like that got in my eye, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. And then I usually try to open my eye if it's not in my, okay, yep, it's in my eye. So we're just gonna like fan it out, you know? And it's like I feel it on my eye. Okay, let's open this eye. See if you can find something to fan it out with. Does this work? Eyeshadow palette? Yep. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then sometimes I like use my hands. Make sure your hands are clean too, because you don't want to get more pimples, you know? Just to like really let it soak in, you know? Next, I'll go on to my eyebrows. And I got them done recently, so they look pretty good right now. And I just use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, like, I only use the brush thing for it because, you know, I don't know. I use a powder for my eyebrows because, I don't know, I like it better and I feel like it's more natural. So if you're going for a more natural look, definitely recommend powder. And also, when I used to use this, it made my eyebrows look so yellow. Like, I don't know, the color just did not match. So make sure you like test out different eyebrow products to find your actual like color, because sometimes it's a little hard. Like if you have brown eyebrows, then it's easy, but if you're blonde like me, it's a little hard because there's different types of blonde. So little tip for you. I mean, that's not really a tip, but you know, I don't know. Okay, so I'm using European Wax Center Florence, I don't know, it looks like this. And focus, yep, and like this. And this is where I got my eyebrows done, so I don't know if you have one of these near you, but yeah, that's pretty much what I use. So I go on the bottom. Here, I'll face you guys. I go on the bottom part of my eye, and then I go up to the top corner, you know, like where it starts to go down, like the highest part, to make that almost like a line. And then I take the top corner and then I go down from there like that and kind of fill it in as I go. And make sure you always want to make the what's this called? This part of your eyebrow darker than this part. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. And then I kind of just like fill in like this, since it's natural. I don't have to like fill it in too much. So there we go. That's one eyebrow, and now I'm just gonna do the next one. Okay, then after I'm done filling them in, I just brush them out again. Okay, next I'm going to go in with some highlighter because you want that dewy, fresh skin, you know? So yeah, but for highlighter, I use a eyeshadow, and it's this. I honestly don't even know. Okay, is it gonna focus? Hello? I don't even know what brand it's from, but it's very, very like sparkly, and I don't know, I just really like it. So yeah, and I use this brush. I'm really not professional at all, and I don't really know what brushes to use. So if you have any brush recommendations, even though I'm probably not gonna buy them because I'm not that kind of person, but it works, so like that's why I use it. So, oh wait, actually first I'm going to go in with Aquaphor again and just put it on like my highlight places. Just take a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose because it kind of like, it makes it more like dewy. And if you have any like, I don't know, highlighter is a very big part of being natural and like dewy if you want like a very dewy look, because it just like, it's very dewy, you know? So like using some sort of chapstick, but something more like this is very good because it'll make it actually dewy and not just like sparkly, if you know what I mean. And then after this, I'm gonna go over with some highlighter. I just put it right there. I make like a little L shape, and don't worry, I like blend it out. See, it's kind of like a line right now, but okay, that's a little much, but I just put it along like the rim of my nose. Yep, that's a lot. I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. And also when you put the Aquaphor on it, it makes it pop so much more. So, big tip. And we're gonna blend this out because, you know, I'm not about to be like that blinding. I'm not gonna make someone blind, you know. So I'm just looking for a brush. Okay. See, I just use random brush. This is the blush brush, but we're just gonna go with it. And obviously, if you like it very blinding, then you don't have to blend it out because, yeah. But I mean, some people are like, whoa, I love blinding stuff. So, you know, you do you. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a mascara, which is my favorite part because I feel like it just puts together the whole look. So, okay, I'm kind of debating because I don't know if I want to use my Better Than Sex mascara or my Lash Sensational mascara. This one's kind of old though, so it's kind of like crusty, but this one is kind of like heavy. Okay, I'm gonna use this, but then brush it out with this. So, yep, compromise. See what I did there? I'm not gonna apply as much as I usually do, like, you know, for like every day almost, but like kind of every day. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'll look in here.
Nacho preparados.
This my shit.
Swear to God, it's gonna get my eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna look in the mirror now because it's too hard sometimes. So there we go. That's the mascara, and see how it just like opens your eye and just puts everything together. I'm gonna brush it out so it's not as like, you know. That definitely describes it. Like, you definitely know what I mean when I say that. But okay, now I'm gonna do the next eye. So yeah, see like difference there and then there. Bro, it is so bad outside. Like, oh my God, the wind. I like really hope we have a snow day tomorrow too. So like that'd be pretty cool. Okay. See how this one turned out so much more natural than that one? And if you have like very dark eyelashes, then you could just curl them and it'll look very natural too. So it will work for you, but I have very light eyelashes, so yeah. Just like change my voice right there. Okay, so here is the final look. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video requests you have or any other tips you have for a dewy skin look or like something like that. I don't know. Anything you really want, keep it positive, you know. Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and first video of 2018, and this is going to be a really good year. I'm so excited. I'm very motivated, and I really hope we grow and we stay positive, and it's just a very good year for us. So like, hopefully we started off good, so give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.